This video is going to be about our reminder feature, how to set it up and how to use it. So you can go to the customer menu and go down to the reminder menu. First thing you want to do is set up your reminder master list. An example here would be the oil change. So let's take a look at that. See, the oil change has the car year, car make, and I can click on this token button and I can go down to car model, and you can use any of these tokens. Okay, so I double click on car model, and then I can just click right here and I can do a control V and add it right to my line. So now it's going to say change oil and filter on your year, make, and model. I put the number of days before the reminder and the text I want when I send out an email for that reminder. I click on OK and I save my master list. And you can have as many of these as you want. So I'll close my master list and I'll go into a repair order. And we can go into any repair order, and we're going to take a look at one. And you can see this one has a change oil and filter. When we complete this repair order, since we have that set up in our master list, we're going to go ahead and complete it. Once it's completed, we're going to go take a look at our master list, and we're going to see in the reminder menu under scheduled reminders that we're going to have a reminder for changing oil and filter for Blossom, which is the work order we did. So basically it's a matter of setting up the reminder master list, and whenever you set up a labor item that has that item in the master list, it's going to automatically put the reminder in for you. You can go in here and you can select the dates for the reminders you want to look at, and once you have the date selected, we can go in here and we can select the ones for December. And then we can take a look at our action tab. So there's our reminders for December. If you had reminders accumulating in the software, you could pick the month you want or the day or week. Once they're on the action screen, you can click on email and they will automatically email those reminders to your customer. If you want to, you can print postcards front and back, or you can print labels for the people in the action list. So reminder is very easy to use and it will make you money. So enjoy.